High wind warning in Ogdensburg, New York. The lights flickered a few times. Yeah, that's my laundry hanging up and drying. Supposed to be gusts up to 60 miles per hour. And like always, knocking things over. Not too bad right now. It's windy, but I'm saying it's not as bad as it's gonna be. Probably see the clouds. Oh, Canada's probably getting hammered. That's Canada. Oh, the river's starting to raise up a little bit. Well, this rain's gonna raise it up a lot. Oh yeah. Look at that white caps, the waves. Good thing my truck's not near any trees. Well, at least we know we're gaining daylight, so. Yeah, it's not supposed to start real bad until another hour or so. Who's a bad dog? Please wait. That's what freaking. This new kind of cable junk. It's like the old days. Well, let's see if it works now. Wrestling's on.
It's March.
I don't really watch a whole show. I tune in for the first few minutes. Oh, I forgot. They don't have it in arenas right now because it's coronavirus. The Beast. So sick of Brock Lesnar having the belt. Oh, maybe Drew McIntyre won. I really don't remember. Pussy Brock Lesnar. Freaking steroid taker. Oh, I didn't know Drew McIntyre was that tall. It's that idiot Paul Heyman. It's still pretty windy. I don't know. I hope it isn't power don't go out. Yeah, there are docks down there this summer. I mean, last summer they're packed with boats, but with this coronavirus thing, there'll be no boats there. Playgrounds are going to be closed this summer, everything. Skateboard park, tennis court, it's all straight ahead. Got trees blocking them. That would be the skateboard park and stuff, and the tennis courts are right there. I don't want a car sitting there like a retard. And sitting at the stop sign. Probably texting. That's probably what they're doing, probably texting. If it gets any heavier later, I'll, what do you call it, film. Over and out till the next one.